Welcome back to another video. Please go ahead, like and subscribe this video so we can build this community. So let's talk about moving forward from today till next year. I suggest to stop trading right now. Whenever you're watching this video, just stop trading right now and just let the end of the year be a trade-free year. Like if you had a bad year, perfect time to stop trading because you're not going to change anything in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Go ahead, stop trading. Review your past trades. Like, this is why you need to journal your trades, or if anything, just journal your days, journal your thoughts. Like, review your past trades, your past days, and really see if you can find a pattern within how you were trading and work on fixing that pattern. Fix one thing at a time, and that can change your whole trajectory of your trading career. One thing at a time. Go back and just relearn some things. You know what I'm saying? Just slow down. Don't trade no more and just start studying. Start lock in for the next few weeks of just studying yourself, your habits, studying. If you have a favorite course that you like to go back and review, study that course. Go online, read up on good educational things that can help you trading, not what your trading guru put out, not what an influencer trader put out, but like legit educational material. Read up on that and just hone in on your trading and yourself. If you had a good year trading this year, stop trading because you don't want to try to YOLO, try to get the most out of the year, and then you blow some accounts and now you're starting the year with a spoiled mindset. Because whatever you've made, I'm pretty sure the market's not going to give you too much more moving forward. The market's going to become very, very sticky, very, very rangy, very, very wicky. You never know what's going to happen. You might catch a few good trades and think that you're good and you can catch some more before the year is over, and then boom, you're gone, your account's gone, your mind's gone. Now you're going to start the year off chasing. So if you had a good year this past year, just stop trading. Stop trading so you can enter the next year good on a high note and be good. Be able to just continue the momentum going and continue to kill 2026. And also, even if you had a mediocre year, stop trading. Stop trading because you don't want to just spoil your mediocre year and start the next year on a spoiled mindset. Just go out and just have some fun. Do some stuff that can send some dopamine to your brain, and you just enjoy the rest of the year. Enjoy the rest of the year knowing that you're going to come in 2026 and rock out, knowing that 2026 you're going to be ready. You're going to be ready to lock in. You're going to be ready to just demolish the markets. You're going to be mentally ready, physically ready. You're going to be just ready. So take the rest of this year to get yourself ready so that next year you can just start off on a high note. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys.